Hi friends, Bill here with a review of something every golfer on the planet should be interested in, because every golfer on the planet is always searching for ways to improve their performance on the greens with putter in hand. So today we're going to take an up-close look at the PUR Truth Putting Training System, and instead of doing all of that here in my studio, we'll take advantage of our golf simulator studio where we can unbox this and really show you how it works and how it can help your game. My favorite part of the PUR Truth Trainer is the sophisticated simplicity of the concept. Using fully adjustable optical alignment aids to ensure that your eyes are leading you in the right path, the PUR Truth Trainer also makes use of instant feedback gates at the place where the ball exits the trainer. If you split the uprights, the putt was sent on the proper line, and in my studio, I literally never missed a 5-footer. With the full trainer fitting nicely into the carrying case, the unit can easily travel with you for a pre-round practice session, and for me, it has already saved me 4 to 6 shots per round because my putting inside 10 feet has improved tremendously. 2 enthusiastic thumbs up to the PUR Truth Putting Trainer.